Hi, I'm Willam, and I'm here today representing Magnum ice cream. Well, when I was growing up, I thought, let me get paid in ice cream. So now I do. I get to work with a brand that's pushing the boundaries and is delicious.
Today is about the launch of a very special film. It's a new film for us. It's called Be True to Your Pleasure. And we're here in the beautiful Cannes today. It's the home of film, but not only that, it's a true mecca of luxury, indulgence, and of course, pleasure.
Hello, my name is Charis Wild.
And I'm Gregory Wu.
When I was first introduced to this project and asked if I wanted to collaborate with Magnum, I was really excited. I love being a part of new projects where they start pushing the boundaries.
I think being true to your pleasure means to be able to actually kill your saboteur. We walk around so often self-sabotaging ourselves, and once you let that go, and you can just be true to whatever it is, whether it's pleasure or whether it's pain or whether it's joy, it's authentic.
Being true to your pleasure to me means being true to yourself, because anytime you're denying or you're faking or worrying about what people will think of you is just the worst. You know, self-doubt is terrible, and it's nice that Magnum gets to show people in their truest forms that I'm not a character. Willam is just Willam. He's free to be me, that type of thing, you know, and it's cool that I get to work with a brand that's so open-minded.